like the video. More to come.
Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. So as you see, what we're doing now is actually a little... Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. So if you see that was too much, down. Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. So as you see down below, what we're doing today is going to be a DIY with a Shining Soul candles. So I've been waiting to make candles for like the longest. I love candles. My aunt makes candles. His aunt makes candles. So shout out to his aunt for this. And we're also going to link her business down below. So if you're in the Virginia area, you most definitely would probably want to link this because I already got some of my favorite smells already, to be honest. And I really can't wait to really put my whole foot into this.
Oh my gosh.
So watch out now. Candles is on your neck.
Okay, so before we get into this video, you guys be sure to definitely make sure you subscribe, comment, and like this video if you enjoy and you want more videos like this. That definitely helps us out a lot and we really do appreciate the support. So without further ado, let's get into the video.
Well, let's get into the box that she sent because she sent us a lot of stuff.
Yeah, so
and some of the stuff doesn't have to do with the candle making experience.
Yeah, so okay, this first thing I believe is like, well, first of all, you have a what would you call these? Like a candle holder?
A little wax thing.
Yeah, like a little wax
because
thing.
I think it's for this one.
So basically, but this is just like, I believe this is a lamp, but you can put this in here and I mean, it's gonna burn. Like I'm guessing it's like giving like an oil type of vibe.
Well, see, because I thought that too. I think it could be either or, because I know Cameron has something like this at his house. And he uses it for oils, but I think we're also able to use this, unless this is our smells.
This is for the candles, I feel like.
No, I don't think that, because this has like your smell, you got your candle wax right here, and then like the stuff that all came inside. Well, let's do a breakdown of what came inside of here then. Because y'all can tell us what y'all think, but I think because like this little essential oil, essentially, once we get our wax melted down, we'll infuse it together, right? And still more shit. And we'll get our wicks because we got wood wicks. We got our sticker for branding, so we just
period. Wicks and sips, and y'all know we like to drink wine in our videos, so this is definitely. This is definitely gonna get it, period.
So we're doing a DIY, y'all told you. And then we got a little warning label so you can really just put that on bottom. And that's how that's supposed to look. I dropped our little wicks. And then here goes the little thing. You can put the wicks in, put that in there. I don't really know what that paper clip is for. But she gave us instructions anyway, so we're gonna figure this out as a unit.
Okay, so this first, this oil is called Biloxi Rain, I think. That's how you pronounce that. Hope I'm not butchering that. I hope you guys can see it. But yeah, Biloxi Rain. So that's what came in this one. So we're just gonna put all of this stuff back in here until we
ready to make it.
Yeah, so I just lose anything. You know. Okay, that was that. And then of course, everything is the same that's in this one right here. The smell is just different.
The smell of this one is
Coastal Light. So yeah, it's one of these.
I think it's.
No, that's the teakwood one. The Coastal was the blue. So it's this one right here.
Oh.
Yeah, Coastal.
I like teakwood though, or takewood. How do y'all pronounce it? Is it take or teak? Be in the comments and let me know.
It's definitely teak because it says TE. So anything TE is T. It's not take. It's not TA.
You never know.
I know about that one.
You never know.
Okay, so first let's definitely get into some instructions because you can't do nothing without the instructions. Okay. So
step 1.
Take all materials out the jar. Okay, I guess we can do that together. And
you want to make one candle or do both? Or I think we should do one and then come back to the other one maybe.
Yeah, let's make one for right now. Just in case we do mess up, that we can try it again and get it correct.
FaceTime her and have her basically.
Oh yes, because I already told her, I was like, listen, you know, instructions are definitely given detailed, but sometimes I'll be a little slow. Okay, so take all materials out of the jar. So like we said, we definitely have our oil.
Oh, this is first thing you're supposed to do after you take all your stuff out is put the warning label on
Two
here.
Wicks,
That's
period,
smart.
safety.
Okay, because bitch, you're not about to come after me.
That's the first thing you need to do. Okay. So this was the warning label?
Yep.
Okay.
So you put that on the bottom of the jar, which promises you will burn your candle safely.
Period. It's cute. Keep marking them. Okay.
So adorable.
Okay, so as y'all can see, I got my warning sticker on the bottom. That was step 2. All right, what's
Step
next?
3 says take both wicks and place them on the place them on top of each other.
So
Refer
they got
to
a little
the
picture.
picture.
So
Okay, let me bring up the picture for y'all. So boom, it's supposed to look like that, and it's like that in his hand, and it looks like they got this attached to the bottom of it as well.
okay, so if y'all didn't see what I linked, you just literally put them on top like this.
You do that by shimmying them
Oh my god.
at an angle so they are sturdy.
Okay, so is it supposed to go at the bottom like that?
It's like plank from Ed, Ed and Eddie.
I've never seen that. That's not for me.
Okay.
Okay.
Get your little adhesive.
Okay.
So what you want to do with the adhesive is take one adhesive off the sticky dot and place it onto the bottom of the wig stand. So take.
Place it under here. So because it has to be. Okay.
Yeah.
So I put the first adhesive on the bottom of it like that, and then that's when you wanna. The next step says practice placing it, so you definitely want to make sure it's centered.
And you got, you can mess around with it until you get it to how you like
I mean,
it.
I think I damn near this is in the center.
So fresh shot, huh?
Yeah, but now I have to take it out and take the adhesive off, so we shall see.
Come on, gotta have a steady hand. And then after
You know,
that,
it's Call of Duty, steady hand, sleight of hand.
child. Okay, and then after that, basically we gotta melt the wax. So you're about to follow us to melt in some wax.
Okay, but like, how do I make sure it's like
In there, just
Yeah.
try to push it down. I mean, well, also you can also really just leave it alone too, because after we melt the wax and put the wax in there, it's gonna for sure stay.
Okay, so this is what it should look like after, what step is that?
Step 6.
Step 6, okay. This is what it should look like after that.
6
7.
through 8.
Okay,
That's
yeah.
all the same.
Period. Okay.
Okay, boom. So then after that, what we're gonna do, like I said, is we're gonna go melt our wax. So when you want, what you're gonna need to melt your wax, if you order it through her, she's gonna give you nice little bags like this. You're gonna need some paper towels, a little spatula. The picture on here, the spatula I'm gonna use is like a little baking spatula. I'm gonna show that when we get to the kitchen. And you can either put this in a microwave or you can do this on the pot, like on your stove. So both are going to take the same amount of time, to be honest. So today, I think I want us to do the microwave, low key, and then next time we do it, we can try
The stove, and then we can kind of like compare like which one like burned,
which one burns best and stuff
right,
like that.
and then that's how you get it. Okay.
Plus, this is less messy with the microwave. So let's take this party into the microwave.
All right, y'all. So we in the kitchen. So the instructions say to melt in a microwave safe container for 4 minutes. Like pour the wax in there. So that's what we're about to do. We got this little thing right here. Definitely microwave safe. And we're trying to make a fire
Or a mess.
Okay. So, yeah, so we need to put this in the microwave for 4 minutes. So we're about to do
I need to create like a little perfect little.
All right, so we got her in the microwave. It says 4 minutes again, so we will see y'all when it is done. All right, y'all. So we got 3, 2, 1. Happy New Year! Bruh. Never Happy New Year's. Okay, let's see. And we already got our scent right here.
Ooh,
the
bitch.
Biloxi.
Close that. Hurry up and close that. Oh, okay.
It's hot.
Yeah, that shit
Okay,
hot
y'all.
as hell.
So this is how it came out.
And
This is
then
how the wax
pour
is
some of that
melted.
in. I'm gonna actually need to. I'm gonna have to bring that thingy in here because that's not gonna be able to go.
Yeah. Okay, so like I said, it's been a minute, so we have stirred it.
And pour that shit in there.
Fuck. Okay, so the next step is child. The next step is pouring your wax, your melted wax, and scent into your vessel. Okay, and so it says to use the wick stabilizer.
That's that, aka binder clip.
Yeah. Wick stabilizer. Okay.
And you use that because you don't want your the wood and the wood wick and stuff like that to like split or like anything like that separate when you're pouring that in there. So we're about to get that going.
That shit smells good as hell.
It smells really good. I don't want it to set
so-
though.
Oh shit. Okay.
She did perfect measurements. Okay, so now, as you see, you can just clean up your little mess. We got a little wax on the thing, but we're cleaning that up.
Look, get this. This is how you know it's. You know what I'm saying? How you know we're not capping. That was really wax that we melted down.
Because look how it is and cooled off and it's thickening up right there.
Exactly.
But yeah, so what we're gonna want to do now is read this. You gotta use a paper towel, to wipe up the remaining of that. And then, yeah, so it's no need to cut our wig. It's already been pre-cut for us. Shout out to you, because I just not read that part. And we're about to just set her and call it a day. And you gotta wait 24 hours for it to be used.
Alright, y'all, so like you said, we definitely have to wait 24 hours before this can be used. So what I'm going to do is go ahead and put the thing on there.
I say put the lid on first and then put the thing on.
I mean, yeah, so it don't spill out or whatever. But yeah, that's really all we have for today. I'm not sure how long that took, but it definitely didn't seem like it took long, probably like 20-25 minutes, if that. And we will show y'all the final results tomorrow. Okay, y'all, so it has been a little over 24 hours. We just definitely wanted to make sure that it's set. And Jared is about to take this little paper clip off. As you can kind of see, like, we have like a small hole in it. I hope that it doesn't affect the burn.
I don't think it will, but I think that came from like when we was moving it around. And we have put the lid on top of this.
Yeah.
We wasn't supposed
Yeah,
to
we
do
definitely
that.
wasn't supposed to put the
So
lid
I
on
took
top
it
when you
off,
finish, so maybe
and
that
this
has something to do with
wasn't
it.
on it
Yeah.
either,
Yeah, so it was a little stressed, but it definitely still does look nice. We are about to burn this, so okay, you guys, so we definitely forgot to close out the video. If you're wondering why I'm alone right now, it's because Jared is at work, so I'm just gonna close it out myself. We definitely appreciate you guys for tuning in, and we have a lot more content coming soon. Just be sure to go ahead and hit that big red subscribe button down at the bottom, and then also make sure you turn on your post notifications so you can get notified every time we drop a video. Like this video if you enjoyed it. I know that we did. And then also comment down below and let us know some other DIY projects you guys want to see us do in the future, okay? I definitely want to give a shout out to my aunt for sending us the candle kit. She has her own business, Wicks Sicks. I'm gonna put all of her information in the description down below so that you guys can go support her as well. It's definitely greatly appreciated. Oh, Kane. Y'all, look at Kane. Kane, you wanna say bye? No? Oh, lazy. All right, y'all, we out.